Check out this 2006 GMC Sierra 1500. Carfax has certified the Sierra 1500 as having one owner. The Sierra 1500 has just under 54,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. The Sierra 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has an automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, AM/FM stereo, cruise control and driver airbag. Call 866-906-3182 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.